Hello students. So in this video we are going to study about the last exercise of your chapter 7, that is area of triangle. So let us discuss about area of triangle and what will be the formula for finding out the area of triangle. So firstly, in previous classes you have studied, or even in this chapter also we have studied, this is what? This is a Cartesian plane, and this is what? This is origin. So suppose here is a point x1 y1, and here b x2 y2, c x3 y3. So if we will join these 3 points, they will form a triangle. So we can find out the area of this triangle if the coordinates are given. In the first exercise we found distance. In the second we were using the section formula, we were finding out the ratios. But in this exercise we are finding the area of triangle. So here I am not going to solve, I am not going to derive the formula, just only a discussion I am making. How you will derive? If you want to derive, you have to make a perpendicular from all these 3 points. You have to make the perpendicular. Suppose this is P, Q and R, and for finding out the area of this triangle, what will be area of this triangle? Sum of area of this trapezium plus area of this trapezium minus area of this bigger trapezium. Okay, first trapezium plus second trapezium minus this bigger one. So what will be the rest part? That will be the area of triangle. But I am not going to show you this derivation, you can try at home. Directly I am writing a formula for area. So area will be 1 by 2 in bracket, makes your x1 plus x2 plus x3. It is the way to learn the formula, x1 plus x2 plus x3. So here x1, so y2 minus y3, x2 y3 minus y1, x3 y1 minus y2. So this will be the formula for finding out the area of a triangle when vertices are given, when coordinate of vertices are given. So now we'll see exercise 7.3. very first question I am taking in this formula only. So question number first, for example, that exercise question number 1 is given. Points are given. A point is given what? 2 3. B point is given -1, 0, and C point is given 2, -4. So this is what? x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. So directly I am writing on putting in the formula. Formula is again you can write here. So I am putting the value A equal to this will be 1 by 2 in bracket. Now x1 is what? 2, then bracket y2, x1 y1, x2 y2 is what? 0, minus y3 is what? -4. So minus of -4, don't be confused. Okay, then plus x2 is what? -1, then y3 minus y1, y3 is what? -4, then minus y1 is what? 3, -4 minus 3. Okay, then again plus x3 is what? 2, x3 is what? 2. Here I am erasing. x3 is what? 2. Value of y1 is what? y1 is 3 minus y2 is what? 0. Okay, now further on simplification we will get 1 by 2, then 2 minus plus, so this will be +5. This I am erasing totally. Okay, so this will be 2, then plus here -7, and this minus +7. So plus 2 into 3, 6. So 1 by 2, this will be 10, 7 17. Somewhere we are doing little mistakes, or One more time, let me check. 1 by 2 x1 y2 is what? 0 minus y3 minus 4, that is very correct. Then x2 is what? Minus 1, okay. y3 minus 4 minus y1, okay. Then plus x3 is what? 2. Then y1 is 3 and y2 is 0, okay, no problem. So 1 by 2, this will be 4 only, okay, this will be 4 only. So this will be 2 4 ja 8, 15, 21, and this will be 21 by 2, that is 10.5 square unit. So this will be area, or this is the way to find the area when all the coordinates are given. So you can solve and you can practice. Thank you.